Since I don't have professional equipment, well, semi-professional equipment yet, I'm going to show you how to take this Swiss check apart and then put that thing on there. Alright, so first step is you gotta remove this. It's just like that. And you pull it all the way off. Alright, the next part's the motor, and just like this, you remove it the same way. See? And it comes off, and this is the motor and everything. Very important. Alright, the next thing. That was, of course, another screw off thing. And then you're going to put this right in there. And then you're going to put this right over it, screw it right back on. So hold it in place. Alright, there's a ring, a red one. Well, you see the black one right now. It goes there, and then there's a red one. So went ahead and put that around it. It did not, I repeat, did not want to close with this big old, thick black ring in here. So I just left the red one on there, which will cover the outside, which should make sure it's just fine. I saw my finger that time. Ow, and I hit it with the other side. Anyway. Last step is if you want to put the bracket on there, there's those 4 screws. You get 4 screws in there, and there's 2 other screws on, which will be for the base. And you put them in that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then you're done. Don't forget the way this was, because this was my out going up, and that was my in going in. Out, in. So that means for this, it's still going to be in and out. Don't forget which way your flow's going. And I haven't put it on yet because I wanted to show you that depending on your application, you could have it this way, or you could turn it and have it that way, or you could turn it and have it upside down, or you could turn it and have it that way. So whichever way you need it to face, you can have it face. Me, I need it to go up because this is the out. That's the out? And that's the in? Out, in. So that means for this, it's still going to be in and out. The only problem I might have with this is that there's a small nail fittable amount of space right in there. Probably can't tell from what I'm doing, but there's just like a really small amount of space that my nail can fit in. But shouldn't be a problem. There's a nice red ring right around there, just to hold it all nice and tightly in place. Just wanted to make a note that piece right there, that piece goes right there. Now I'm not sure what it would do for someone else's build, but for me I don't need it because I have this already, so I can just fit that thing on. But this fits on top of it, so as you can see, another piece that would be that big would go right. I just thought that was interesting. Alright, let's roll the slideshow.